got anything in the trunk? And you just panic. You're like, well, 30 seconds ago I said nothing, but now there's a good chance it's full of dead kids stuffed with guns and heroin. I can't do this today. Peace. You can't do that either, right? You can't quit when you get to the front of the line, right? Where are you headed? Back to Canada, but I can't do this today. They'll chase you down the highway. It's not the same the other way around.
Your attention, please. This is the Alberta Emergency Public Warning System. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The Edmonton Police Service in the Downtown Division has requested a stay-at-home order for all of Edmonton. Multiple civilians have gone missing without a trace over the past few hours, starting at 10:03 p.m. Mountain Time and being effective until further notice. The following people that have gone missing are Brian Cook, Nathan Oak, Heidi Moore, Jackie Smith, John Smith, McKee Day, Whitney White, Andrew Addison, Kaylee Jacks, and Mabel May. No sightings have been reported, but if you see anyone listed, report to local authorities or go to a local police department. Do not interact with them or try to engage with them. If you are outdoors, get inside to the nearest building and lock at doors, windows, and openings to ensure safety for you and your family. Keep everyone close and do not go outside or let anyone go outside, as this will put you in immediate danger for you and your family. If any family members go missing or go outside, do not look for them yourself. Rather report to police, as looking for them will also put you in danger. If you know any parties that have caused this situation or is a part of it, contact local authorities immediately and let them know your location for further information. Stay tuned to local news outlets, radios, and stations for more details and updates. For more information, go to www.alberta.ca/alberta-emergency-alert.aspects for live updates and active alerts. This concludes the broadcast of the Alberta Public Warning System.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Do not use your telephone for the duration of this emergency.
The other way around, right? Like coming in the Canadian side's hilarious, right? It's just that you come up to that little red booth and the guy pops his head out the window. He's like, "Hey, bud. How's it going, man?" "Oh, not too bad. Just watching the border, you know." "Where are you headed?" "Winnipeg."
Okay, anyway, hi! So, this was a short scenario I wanted to create because I haven't uploaded in a while, nor have I really created one. Sure, I've been working on Aquatic Annihilation Retry Again, and a little bit of, Maximum Flare, which is another scenario I'm planning to release. But, yeah, hopefully everyone's taking care and staying blessed. So, since, you don't know the origins of this, I do want to give you a little bit of sneak peeks. Sneak peeks? What? I meant, some older content and the original version. So, I'm gonna just show off the original alert, and we'll just end it off from there. Is that okay? Okay, love you, bye.
Your attention, please. This is the Alberta Emergency Public Warning System. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Multiple people have been reported missing around your area around 4 a.m. The following people that are missing are John Carter, Geo Nate, Brian Moore, Manny Park, and Hillary Day. If you find anyone listed in this message, please call 911 or go to a police station nearby. If you're outdoors, take shelter without any reason and lock all doors and windows. If any of your loved ones go missing, do not look for them. Looking for them will put your life in extreme danger and risk of going missing. If you're aware of the situation caused by anyone, please contact local authorities and let them know immediately. This concludes the Alberta Public Warning System.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Do not use your telephone for the duration of this emergency.